I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I think I'll just rejoin. Yeah, just a second. I'll rejoin because you're not audible. Hello.
Yeah, are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes. Now it's
Yes,
on.
yes. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I think there was a problem with my side. So
Oh,
sorry about.
maybe, but no problem at all. I was just thinking that what's happening but from my end that everything was over, and then I don't know what's happening. So first of all, I would like to wish you that happy New Year.
Yes, same. I was about to say that. A very
That you
happy.
forget to tell. Yeah, fine. You would like to say or that you forget to say?
I think I forgot. I mean, I almost forgot. But
You
thanks for.
almost forget. So where are you from?
Um.
No,
So
I'm asking that. Where are you from?
yes, I am from Bihar.
Oh, you're
But
from Bihar. Very good place. I think that it's very neighboring. It's one of the neighboring states of my place. I live in Jharkhand state.
oh, okay, yeah. So, uh, Jharkhand and Bihar were together for a long time. They got separated
I
in.
think to the 2000. I think so. 2000.
Yes,
So
yes.
you're from Bihar. Very good. So, ma'am, I have some questions. I got just referral from I think yesterday that I just not talked. I just watched one of the YouTubers. I think her name is Zeza Farouk. So
Uh,
just yeah, Zeza Farouk, one of the YouTubers. So I was
okay.
watching her video, and then while watching her video, that one of the videos that it was Clapingo. So I was fascinated of this one. That what actually it is that I don't know anything. So can you please
Okay.
provide the details?
Yeah. So basically, it basically provides you practice with spoken English, but your
Okay.
English is quite good. So I'm just wondering why you enrolled for the demo
No,
session.
not like that. So see, I think everybody needs improvement. I just thought that because earlier to this one, just before this one, that I was just talking to one of the Camry tutor. So there I just found I was really feeling so good. But Zeza Farouk also talked to Camly, and I also talked to Camly. But after that, just because that yesterday that I watched her video, and while watching her video, then I was just you can say I was fascinated because that you all people are really working hard for for the viewers or for the learners, not only for viewers, for the learners to improve their English.
Right.
So what's your good name?
Yes. Oh my God, I totally forgot to mention.
Everything that you forget.
Yeah.
So fine.
No.
So I think that your name is Shambhavi something. No,
So
oh
I was really
Shambhavi.
perplexed when you started speaking because usually we do not expect the learners to be so good with the language or so comfortable with the language. So as soon as you
No,
started, say I was a little perplexed, and that's all. So yeah, my
no,
name is.
not like that. Really, that I just got a good friend. You can say that I now you can think that I'm a learner. Don't think that I'm
That,
something different. But yeah, that's true that I'm a teacher, and I teach number of students. I do have my own institutes too.
okay.
Is
So
in
yeah,
Jharkhand state.
yeah. So that was about to be my next question. What exactly are your expectations from this session?
Yeah, from this session that I want to teach, not only I want to teach, I want to know that because that I have some students and they want to improve their English. So what messages or what suggestions should I give to them that so that they could join at Clapingo? And what are you going to provide on this one? Because I don't know anything. Yesterday that I watched Zada Farouk's YouTube channel, and there I got to learn something. I got to know something, but I don't know. But just not just try to familiarize all those things to me. Then.
Yeah, great. So here at Clapingo, we believe that one of the first steps to, to improve your spoken English skills is to actually talk to people, to
Okay.
actually practice it in your daily lives, and that's exactly where Clapingo comes in. Here we
Okay.
provide our learners with a one-to-one video call session,
Okay,
like
like
this.
this one, like this one. That's true.
Yes.
Like Camly, no, like Camly, is it? It is the same platform, or is there anything different?
Almost, yes. It's almost
Almost.
similar.
Hmm.
And so basically, have we engage in a random conversation with the learner. Of course,
Okay,
we okay. So basically, every day the learner gets to talk to different people, to different speakers.
ma'am,
So
can I interrupt you right now? Can I
yeah.
interrupt? Is the mobile in the right condition? Is the mobile in the good condition? Like this one, I have kept this mobile in this one exactly
Oh,
that.
okay. Yeah, that's
It,
all right. All
oh,
right.
fine. No, because that on Camly, I was just doing like this. I just did like this so that they had a questions, even though like we were not getting that right correct video. So I put in this video in this form, you can say.
Okay. Okay. Great.
So your name is Shambhavi, and can you please tell me that from where did you get your education? So if you don't mind, then
Uh, Actually, yeah, I'm not very comfortable, sharing that.
replying all these things. No, replying all these things. No problem at all.
No,
So now,
but
are you from like you got education from Delhi?
yes, I am a scholar at Delhi University.
And because your English is like that, I just feel so. So please don't
Very,
mind, so.
very stereotypical sentence, but that's okay. I won't mind that. I come across that a lot. Uh,
Hmm.
so anyway, yes,
So
I
no
was.
problem at all. So you provide on this through this Clapingo. So you provide just one-to-one video conversation, right?
Yes, but the thing is that in every session, the learner interacts with the different speakers, with
Okay.
different speakers. So, for example, if you're interacting with me today,
Obviously. Mm.
yeah. So, if a learner enrolls for the program further, they would be interacting with someone else in the next
Mm.
session, and then someone else in the session
Mm.
after. Another thing is that we interact about different topics,
Okay.
which could range from travel to food to movies, absolutely anything. And
Okay.
we engage
No,
in
I
a
would,
random.
I would really that I would really love to enroll in this one. I would feel to enroll in this one. We either as a student or as a teacher. I don't know. The tutor also that I don't know what are the procedure to be a tutor in this Clapingo. I don't know. Can you
So,
please provide all these things?
okay,
Huh?
may I know who you've been in touch with regarding the demo session?
Uh, I don't know. Really, I don't know anything about Clapingo, and nobody just told me that. Yesterday I watched Ziza Farouk YouTube channel, and then there was a link, and I just installed this app, and
Oh,
then I
okay.
paid some amount, not some amount for trial session. This is the first one, and after
Yeah,
that I have sent some referral too. I have sent some link also, and they also get. Once I get once I get satisfied with this Clapingo, I will really recommend all the viewers to join this one.
that's really great. That's really nice of you.
And at the
So,
end of this video, ma'am, I request you that at the end of this video, please give me the feedback that how was my conversation and all like that.
yes, that's exactly what we do in normal sessions also actually. So, yeah, I told you that we engage in a conversation with the learner, and
Okay.
so wherever the learner goes wrong, we just
Mhm.
interrupt them and tell them where they're going wrong, why, and how they can, improve that, right?
Definitely.
And at the end of each session, we give them a feedback regarding what we thought could be their areas of improvement,
Sure,
and then
sure.
we give them some exercises to do, and we basically discuss how to work upon that, and
Mm.
yeah, that's basically it.
So these are the things that are provided in Clapingo, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So today, on which topic that are we going to discuss?
For the demo session, we
And
we
I
usually
think that
try.
you can ask, you can ask me any questions. I can reply also. No problem at all. I'm ready to answer all the
Yeah.
questions.
So yeah, for the demo sessions, we usually try to get to know the learner better, and so that's basically what we do for the introductory session. So yeah,
Okay. No, no,
tell
no,
me
no. If
more.
no, if you want to know anything from me, like if you want to know anything about me, then I can reply all those things. No problem at all.
So I know that you're from Jharkhand.
Yes. What's my
What
name? Do you know my name? Do you
Sarfaraz?
know?
Yeah,
How do you know? I didn't tell my name. How do you know this one?
because it's written.
Oh, it's being
Yeah.
displayed on the screen.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, my name
So
is Sarfaraz Khan, as you know that. Very good. So now you
okay.
can ask me any questions. I hope so I can reply. So that
What do
I
you
am
do?
I'm gonna show this video to a number of people that I have just interacted with this one that I've interacted with Shambhavi, and she is very good at English. I can say this thing at all.
That's really nice of you. So
Okay.
what do you do exactly?
Very good question. That what do I do? I do have an institute, and then not only one institute. I do have I think three institutes I have, and I don't want to tell one thing that what do I have? I do have a school too, and I'm a teacher, and
Okay.
I'm a spoken
What do
tutor
you do?
also, and I teach computer also.
Okay. So okay. So computer is your area
Yeah,
of
computer. Yeah, basically that I have done engineering in computer.
okay. From
From this one, if I tell that maybe that you may tell it to public. No, please don't ask me that from where. Oh yeah, I did from
Oh, yeah,
Bangalore.
no, it's completely
Yeah, I
okay.
did it from Bangalore.
Okay, I am
Bangalore.
in Bangalore right now.
Excuse me.
I am in Bangalore right now.
Right now
Yeah.
that you're in Bangalore, very good place. I think that I didn't expect that you are in Bangalore. So, which place are you in Bangalore? I did from Yashwanthpur. There is a place just near to Yashwanthpur. There is a Mahalakshmi layout. So I
Okay.
was staying there long before, not
No,
now.
I'm just visiting my brother. I don't stay here. My brother stays here. I'm visiting my
No,
brother.
but you just now that you told me that I'm in Bangalore.
I'm visiting my brother. Yes.
Oh, you're visiting your brother right now that you're with your brother, right?
Right.
That means
Yes.
that you're in. So, have you visited all the places of Bangalore? Have you gone through all the places?
Not really. Not really. Do you love traveling? Do you like to travel?
I love traveling. Even I like traveling too, but I have just studied it. My whole life was studied. I studied in my boarding
Love and
school.
huh?
Excuse me,
No, you
boarding
just
school, that hostel that I studied in a hostel. So basically, that really that I have stopped feeling also about traveling. Everything is just. I think that I'm away from the traveling, but now I love traveling.
that's great. Can I ask you something if you don't mind?
No, 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 no problem at all. You can ask me.
Accent is quite unique. Where do you get your accent from?
It's my pleasure to receive such kind of acknowledgement. You can say.
Yeah.
Where did I get accent from?
The
Through
British accent a lot.
no, through such type of you type of person, like friends like you. I can call you as a tutor also, and I can call you as a friend too. No problem at all.
You type of person is not the correct sentence.
Yeah, that's true. Very good. I just wanted you to correct my sentence.
No,
So
I
I just a friend.
you can correct a lot of things, but you speak a little fast, and I do not get enough opportunities to interrupt in between.
No, please, no, no. I love the people. I love the person that who can interrupt, who can correct me, because that I can say that even I do know this thing that nobody is perfect, and the practice makes a man perfect. So I do know
Exactly.
all these two sentences that practice makes a man perfect, and the second sentence is what nobody is perfect. So everybody has, even now, like while talking, even in
Absolutely.
Hindi or even in English, a person makes no, it keeps making mistake. So he has
Absolutely.
to, yeah, he has to correct his mistakes. So really, a very good, you can say that you corrected. So a person like means you can say through my friends, through my classmates, not my classmates. My classmates were not speaking English. They were not at all good at English too, but
My classmates did not speak English. Not were
yeah,
not
yeah,
speaking English. It's
yeah, they were
yeah.
not. No, very good. So how could you say that they did not speak English? Maybe that they were not speaking English in the classroom. Maybe so I can say that this may be the correct.
No, that's
No,
not the correct.
it's not the correct.
No, it's
Really,
grammatically
it's not.
correct.
It's practically wrong.
It's
Is it practically
grammatically wrong.
wrong?
It's grammatically wrong.
Oh, it's grammatically wrong. Thank you for this one. So please, I think that my viewers, who, if they watch my videos, they will ask me, so what the language that you spoke, what the sentences that you spoke to that person? That means tutor.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Uh, where did you get this accent from? Do you watch a lot of British movies?
Sorry, no, I don't watch. I don't like Hollywood movies. I don't like.
No, no, no. It's not. It's not Hollywood as well. That's the U.S.
I
accent.
don't know. No, no, I don't know any kind of movies. I don't like. Even I just only like Bollywood movies. That means Hindi movies I like. Even though I don't like even Bhojpuri movies also. I don't like southern movies also. But I like only Bollywood. That means Hindi movies.
Okay, great.
And this may be now this may be the great. And I want to improve my English much better. So that's why that I really want to join Clapingo.
That's great. So I'll ask
And
the my.
and one more thing, no, no, one more thing is what are the procedures to join as a tutor in Clapingo?
I was coming to that. So
Okay,
I'll
I was coming to that. Very good. Please
yeah
say that.
yeah. I do not get a lot of opportunity to speak. You just speak really fast.
Oh,
That's
please,
take this as one of the feedbacks. Please do not mind it the other way.
no
Take
problem at all. No
as
problem
one of,
at all.
yeah, because to
No,
get a
actually,
going,
no. The
you
problem is what that I no no. This is what that I don't want to speak too fast. It happens. It gradually it happens. I really don't want to speak, but it happens.
so you asked for a feedback, right?
Definitely.
So
No, I know. I have asked two things. One is feedback.
and
Second
one
is
is
what are the things.
a join. Yes, I know. Yes. So
Okay.
basically, okay. I'll answer one of them. I'll answer both of them one by one. So one, the
Okay.
feedback is that of course your English is really good. You're really confident while speaking, which is a very good thing, and which we don't get a lot. Most of our learners are, during their initial days, they are not as confident as you. So that's one thing. But of course, when you're engaged in a conversation, you also need to listen to the other person.
Definitely, this
And
is the word that this is the word that I wanted to listen. Yeah, thank you for this one. I would really that would follow this suggestions you can say.
yeah, and the second thing you asked was the procedure to join. So the procedure to join is that so okay, so you enrolled in the demo session by clicking on the link, right?
Definitely, yeah, you're right.
Okay. So I'll ask my associate to get in touch with you right away after this session, and he'll guide you through the procedure.
Thank
Yeah.
you for this one. Is there anything else that you want to ask me that I hope I can reply all the things? I don't know whether that like my time is over. I don't know because no time is being displayed over here. No
I know
minutes. What?
we are running out of time. So yeah, that was it. And
No,
of
no,
course,
because I registered for only 15 minutes. I think it is from 3 o'clock to 3:15.
yes, and yeah, it's 3:17 right now. So that's
Oh,
what I.
really? So fine. Now you can drop the call if as you wish.
I'm about to. But do you have any feedbacks for me or any questions? Any other questions?
No, no. First of all, that in the beginning, like just I couldn't listen. I was just ready to perform a very good conversations with you, but due to some audio problem, this was the problem that it should be rectified. And the second thing is what feedback. If you talk about, you are really a very good tutor. I can say from my end, you corrected me, and we cannot say that you interrupted. You corrected, and everybody needs corrections. And as we can say that learning
That's what.
is endless. And
Yeah, that's the entire the purpose of Clapingo.
yeah, wow, wow. From
Yeah.
all the thing that you've summarized into one, that this is what about clapping go. No, and one more thing is what learning is endless, and that you are really that. I can only tell you that you people. That means clapping, not you people. Clapping go. It's a
Right.
platform that where a number of people can engage, can enroll in this one, and they can learn English better. And you please just don't mind it. I really want to be your student.
Okay, that's really nice. It made my day. In fact, since it's the first day of the year, it made my year. So yeah, thanks for that.
Maybe, and you can say that since it is the first day of this year too, 2021, and you made my day as well as evening too. And now one more thing, can I upload this video on YouTube if you don't mind? Then
I'll have to ask my associate about that, but I'll ask him to get in touch with you, and you can clear all your queries with him.
definitely, definitely. Do you want to ask anything
With you
to
right
me?
away.
If you want, do you want to ask anything?
No, it was great
Thank
talking to you. It
Oh,
was.
thank you.
It really
And
was. Yeah.
even though, thank you for joining me. Also, thank you for connecting with me. Thank you for talking to me too. You can say, have a good
Yeah.
day. Happy New
Yeah.
Year.
I hope you have a great and a very prosperous year.
Oh, thank you. And when
And
are you coming to once again Bihar?
by the way, sorry,
When are you coming to Bihar once again? Like
I
you're
don't know.
in Bangalore.
Yes, I don't
That,
know when I'm returning yet.
oh, so you will be there with you're not going to come in Bihar.
I am, of course. That's where I
Okay.
live, but I don't know when I'm returning yet.
So please, if you have like one of your associates, whatever that you're talking about, so please just if now that the number which I gave in this one, I don't know which number that I have given. So please just tell him to connect with me if it
Yeah,
is possible.
yeah,
Then
sure. We'll connect with you
thank
right
you.
away.
Sure.
Great, then.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Same to you. Thank you.